Massage have massage near Scorebirds hotel already starting rain. But I have umbrella, not problem for me. Just only windy. Windy is not good. If windy, even you have umbrella or don't have, you will wet. But problem my camera not waterproof. What is this? Before is parking, now what we do inside? Ah, people also live here. You see, oh, CR have. Take a look. CR house. Rain. They run faster because they, you see, they dry clothes and starting rain. Yeah, this one. Need so fast to remove all the clothes. Oh, it smell not good. I don't want to stay here. I have umbrella. I will walk with umbrella. Hotel building, this one. Engineer Ariel Austria. No, it's Filipino name, it's not from Austria. Oh, rain. It's okay, I have umbrella. Laundry open. Massage spa also. Yeah, massage, yes, massage. But it's already closed. Philippine street foods here before. Laundry also, only have laundry. All hiding from the rain. A good motorcycle. Okay, I will show a little bit walking street. I don't want to go inside walking street. If walking street video, always YouTube moderator is say it is not good video. Need to edit many times, edit. Everyone hiding from the rain. I will check Kokomas. Kokomas empty now. Not so many people. Girls sit near club 1, 2, 3. Oh, windy, I will move. Pizza. No one buy pizza right now. Take a look, this is Red Street. Okay, walk a little bit. Red Street, I will show to you. Lambamba open, it's daytime. Time now 3:30, but some of bars is open. Yeah. Fields, place, hotel. Dollhouse, door open but empty. Don't have people inside. You see, don't have people. Club Moon before Club Sky open now. How much? $56.80. $56.80. What is Atlantis? Atlantis closed, so girls going to the work. Take a look. Many girls going to work. Yeah, this time maybe starting work. cafe. A cafe, I already before sit night time. Even night time empty. Yeah, empty. Usually I don't have people. Hammer. A Hammer always empty. Maybe expensive seat here, I don't know. It's empty always. Take a look, even outside. Maybe 1-2 person can sit only. Okay, I will show to you Fields Avenue near Phyllis. Phyllis Bar. Phyllis Bar, many people, many European tourists sit always. So now Sunday, this time usually some of tourists already walk. Left side is Queen's Hotel. Queen's Hotel. Sky Trucks open only 10 p.m. Soya open maybe always. I think open 24 hours because when I drive here, Soya always open. I don't know. Ace Bar also open. Brown Sugar also. Zeus Bar, long time closed. Long time. It's before Camelot Bar, but now only garbage outside only. And now this is Kimchi restaurant. It's popular restaurant Kimchi. Many Filipino people want to go to eat in Kimchi restaurant. It's for European tourists also popular place. Rain already stopped, it's okay, good. And I show to you why heavy traffic always here now. Because in the center of the road, take a look. Some construction for bridge. That's why even to pedestrian line, they drive to pedestrian line sometimes, motorcycle, because not enough road. Even before is this road not wide, and now narrow, you see. JJ always many people inside. No, daytime is okay, not so many. Because it's all cashier working. Yeah. Lotto, oh, popular in the Philippines. Lotto. I don't know, I never tried. Shira tried before, NSM. NSM have. Oh, dog want to eat mango. Here 56.75, but near Walking Street 56.85, 10 peso less here. You see already good weather. So not need umbrella. Need always take umbrella if you go outside. Street foods here. Here you can buy some medicine like paracetamol. Simple. What you want you can buy. Popular Filipino bread. They already remove how much. Remove price. Don't have price. But I already know. Another street foods. You can see so many street foods. Philippine people like street foods. They eat. Usually they eat street foods. Not need to cook at home. No, some of family cook of course. But who don't have time, they go to eat with street foods. That's why many people overweight, fat. Because of these foods. This street foods is not healthy. Okay, already closed door or not? Barber shop for 100 peso. Yeah, 100 peso only. And this gate closed now. I think closed because Sunday. Here already Korean food samgyeopsal. Oh, safe, it's good. Who live in Tiger Hotel, it's easy. Just only next building already Tiger Hotel. Don't have cars, don't have tricycles, don't have motorcycles, it's only for security. It's mean don't have tourists right now. Even have 20% discount. But who will go? Because always rain. Not comfortable walk. Even you see good weather. But after 5 minutes maybe start rain again. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching everyone. This is my last video. Oh, last video from Sunday, July. I don't know when I again walk here in Angeles City because soon my flight. Next week I already going to China, Hong Kong and Russia also. I will show to you video also from Russia.